Hello and welcome to the first part of the multi-part tutorial for a C++ Allegro library video game on the computer. And in this tutorial is going to be really short because it's only going to be about the introduction to the game, what it's about, how to play, all that stuff, and the folder and the setup we're going to be using to create the game. I suppose you already have Allegro. Well, you should already have Allegro. I don't think I'm going to post a tutorial on how to make Allegro because I honestly don't remember how to download it. And I'm using Linux Mint, so you guys probably use Windows. So it's going to be a little bit different. Actually, it's pretty different. It's really different. Anyway, as you can see, we have 3 files here in this folder I created. The first one is a code document. It's just an empty document, C++ source code document. And all it does is script these 2 images. This image is alien, and it's the enemy. So it's the enemy of the character. And the character we're going to be using is UFO. It's a little UFO image, and you control them using the arrow keys, and the alien guy chases you around the screen. It's going to be a black screen. We're not going to put a background. Not that backgrounds are too hard to put in. Just backgrounds make the game really slow, and the graphics in the background is actually really bad. So it's just going to be black screen, and it's going to have all that stuff like collision detection, so you can't just run off the screen. Actually, you may be wondering, in Allegro, if 2 images collide, the one that's in the foreground is actually, one of them is going to go through the other. I don't know about foreground versus foreground. I don't know if they collide, and I don't know. Well, I'm pretty sure one will overlap, but background and foreground, they're going to overlap. I mean, they're going to go through each other. So you can have your character, and you can keep pressing the left key, for example, and you'll go right off the screen, and you'll keep going. Right? But it's really bad if that happens, because it's not very high quality then. Anyway, so these are the 3 files you'll be working with. In case you're wondering, Alien I got from Google Images. I got both of them from Google Images. Alien is in Google Images, just type in pixel alien, and it should be a couple of rows down. You're going to have to scale the image with Photoshop or GIMP, to get it small, because you don't want a giant image running around your screen. It's going to be a really weird game. And UFO, same thing. You got to scale it and pixel UFO in Google Images. And it's going to be the second one at the top, right at the top. And you may be also wondering why I put .cpp at the end. You don't have to put .cpp, but sometimes there's color code. There's color code in CPP. So in C++, and when you type something in that's like, I don't know, double, you should know C++ a little bit to do Allegro. But if you type in double, it goes green. The word double goes green, and that can help when you're editing it. So if you typed in double with 2 E's, it's not going to go green, which can kind of help when you're trying to debug it. Alright, so that was the first tutorial. That was really short. Well, it wasn't really short, but it was really simple, and you barely had to do anything. It's going to get a lot harder. Goodbye for now. Until the next tutorial.